Hi and welcome to Backyard Growing Essay. In today's video I'll be showing you 15 vegetables you can grow now in August, and if you enjoyed the video don't forget to subscribe. Let's get to it. Mustard green. So mustard green like to be buried half a centimeter deep. It'll take 5 to 10 days to germinate and they'll be ready to harvest in 40 to 60 days. So this is about 60 days now. So this is ready to harvest. So when I do harvest, I'm going to take the outer leaves and I'm going to leave the smaller leaves inside to continuously grow. And if anyone have any recipes for mustard greens, you can comment it down below. So carrots like to be buried half a centimeter to a centimeter deep, and with carrots you want to directly sow them, and once you sow them you want to keep them covered for 14 to 21 days for them to germinate, because once the soil do dry out, it will prevent some of the seeds to germinate. So it's best you cover it maybe with a cloth or a plank on top of it, or like I have over here is mulch. The mulch will help keep it the soil moist constantly, and then in about 14 to 21 days they will germinate. And depending on what carrot you are growing, it'll take 70 to 90 days before you can harvest your carrots. Peas. So peas like to be buried 3 to 5 centimeters deep. They'll take 7 to 14 days to germinate, and they'll be ready to harvest in 60 to 70 days. And when you are planting your peas, you want to directly sow them. It is best to directly sow them, and also when you do sow them you want to have a trellis. And when you see your pods is growing like this and the plant is about like less than 40 centimeters, you want to take them off, because they're gonna just focus on that one pod or that two pods what is there. So once they're about 40 to 50 centimeters you can let them go, and then you constantly have to harvest your peas to keep the plant productive. So celery, you want to plant them a half a centimeter, or you can just lay them down on the ground and water them. They will take 14 to 21 days to germinate, and they'll be ready to harvest in 90 to 120 days. The ones over here I can harvest the full plant. However, I do the come and cut again method. I take the outer leaves and then I leave the center leaves so they can continuously grow. So beetroot like to be buried 1 to 2 centimeters deep, and in each pod of a beetroot there is about 3 to 4 seeds. So that's why when they sprout you will see there's more than one plant on each section. You can leave them like that, or you can take them apart and then they will individually grow. But if you want like clusters and smaller beets, you can leave it like this. They will take 7 to 14 days to germinate, and they'll be ready to harvest in 50 to 70 days. Swiss chard. So Swiss chard like to be buried 1 to 2 centimeters deep. They'll take 7 to 14 days to germinate, and they'll be ready to harvest in 55 to 65 days. But with Swiss chard you can take the outer leaves and then you leave the center leaves, and they will continuously grow. Sweet corn. Sweet corn like to be buried 3 to 5 centimeters down. They will take about 7 to 14 days to germinate. But with sweet corn you want to directly sow them if you can. At the moment I don't have any space now to directly sow them, so I'm going to start them in trays. But they will have a better chance and they will stay more firm in the ground if you directly sow them. So when I do transplant them, I'm going to transplant them deeper than what you will usually plant them, just so the wind doesn't distract them and blow them down. And they will take 70 to 100 days to harvest. So I'm just gonna water them, and then I'm gonna cover them with this dome, because it is still a bit cold, but the dome is gonna help keep it a bit warm. So if you are directly sowing them, just take a 2-liter bottle or a 500ml bottle, cut it in half and just make domes over where you planted the seeds, just to keep the heat and keep that area of the soil warm. Then they will germinate. cucumber. So cucumbers like to be buried 2 to 3 centimeters deep. This is poinsettia, this cucumber. They will take 7 to 14 days to germinate. And if you want to spread them out and you're planting them directly into the ground, you want to spread them out 15 to 30 centimeters apart from each other. And as you know, in August it is still cold days, so you want to cover them up in a dome, or if you have a 2-liter bottle or 500 milliliter bottle, you can just cover them when you plant them. And don't forget labels, because we always say no, we're gonna remember, but we never do. Don't forget to put your labels if you directly planted them or in trays, so you know what you are planting. And once the flower on the cucumber plant gets pollinated, it will take 60 to 70 days before you can harvest your first cucumber. Tomato. So tomatoes like to be buried a half a centimeter to a centimeter deep. The tomato over here that I'm growing is called Bread Atomic Grape Tomato. It will take 7 to 14 days to germinate. And once the tomato germinates, you count from that day till harvest, which will take 70 to 100 days. So you count from the germination day and not from the day the first flower form, because that will be much quicker. But I normally count from the day it germinates. Lettuce like to be buried a half a centimeter deep, but you can also just sprinkle them on the soil. However, if it's quite windy over there, maybe you do want to cover them up, but if it's not windy, you can just water them down in the area you're planting them. And lettuce will take 5 to 10 days to germinate, and they'll be ready to harvest in 45 to 60 days. But around 30 days you can start harvesting the outer leaves and leaving the center leaves, and they will continuously grow. But if you grow in iceberg lettuce, that one you want to let them grow till their full 60 days and harvest the full head. But with the leafy green ones, you just cut and come again. Rocket. So rocket like to be buried a half a centimeter down, the same like lettuce. They will take 5 to 10 days to germinate. And over here I got is wild rocket in front and sweet rocket at the back. So they take the exact same time and everything. Just this one's in front is a little more bitter, and the one at the back is more sweet. That's why it's called sweet rocket and then wild rocket. And they will take about 40 to 60 days to harvest, and that is for the full plant. But about 25 to 30 days if you can do the cut and cut method. You cut the outer leaves, leave the center ones to regrow. Spinach. So spinach and Swiss chard are two different types of leafy greens. However, in South Africa I know we do call Swiss chard spinach as well. But to germinate spinach is different than what you're gonna germinate Swiss chard. With spinach you can plant it directly, but there is a less rate of germination than doing it the other way. And the other way is you take a damp cloth, or you can take a damp paper towel, put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in your fridge for about a week to 2 weeks. So that's 7 to 14 days for it to germinate. And then after the first week you check every day if it did sprout or anything like that. And once it sprouts, you take it out, put it in your soil, and you can bury it about a centimeter to a centimeter and a half deep. Like I said, they'll take 7 to 14 days to germinate, and they'll be ready to harvest in about 40 to 55 days. And also you have to be very careful with your spinach. They do go to seed quite fast, so try to plant them into a more shady area than a hot area. And once they are ready to harvest about 25 days, you want to constantly harvest them. But if you want the full plant, you're going to wait at 40 to 55 days. Kale like to be buried half a centimeter deep. Kale will take 5 to 10 days to germinate, and they'll be ready to harvest in 60 to 90 days from the day they germinate. And when you plant them in trays, when to transplant them is when they get their first 3 to 4 true leaves. Like this ones are ready to be transplanted, but I'm gonna wait till they get a little more bigger and then I'll transplant them. So sweet melon like to be buried 2 to 3 centimeters deep. They'll take 7 to 14 days to germinate, and they will be ready to harvest in 90 to 120 days. And the seeds what I'm planting here is from my one that I grew about 2 years ago, and I still got the seeds. Onions. So this over here is red onions. They like to be buried a centimeter deep. They will take 7 to 14 days to germinate. And they will be ready to harvest in 90 to 120 days. On that note, I'd like to say thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want to help me out, let the channel grow, you can subscribe, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below. Or you can become a member or send super thanks. I'd like to say thank you for watching. Backyard out.